Hey guys, what's up and welcome to this new video. So in today's video we're going to be seeing the gift card exchange kiosks near you. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I recommend hit that subscribe button down below and tap the notification bell to never miss anything content from us. Also, don't forget to check the video description for all the links I will mention in this video will be found in the video description. So guys, I catch you right after the intro. There's this massive change in the gift card exchange kiosk industry. Coinstar, the popular gift card exchange kiosk, no longer exchanges gift cards for cash. Yes, they have discontinued this service a few months back, and you can no longer exchange your gift cards for cash at Coinstar. This is a very disappointing news, as most of us will typically go to this gift card exchange kiosk. However, that's not the only place to exchange your gift cards for cash. So if you're watching this video, it's certainly because you're looking for an alternative method to sell your gift cards for cash, which is what we are actually going to do. So let's list the top gift card exchange kiosks out there right now. So the first we have on our list is 1 Minute Pay. So 1 Minute Pay is a relatively new platform that offers gift card exchange services. It is not actually a kiosk, as they don't have a physical location, so you typically be selling your gift cards online and get cash instantly, typically in 1 minute, as the website names predict. So if you're looking to sell your gift cards online, then this website is actually the first place you should have in mind. So to sell your gift cards or to exchange your gift cards for cash, you just need to come to the website. You don't need to click on the link in the video description below and click on sell gift cards. Once on the next page, you have to scroll to the gift card issuers. You have Adidas, ABN, Amazon, American Express, Apple, and the list just continues. So you just have to select your gift card brand and then you click on it. Let's select Adidas, and on the next thing you have to do is to click on sell Adidas gift card. And once you click on that button, you just have to follow the prompts to sell your gift card for cash. So the second is CardCash. CardCash is also one of the popular gift card exchange places out there, and if you've been searching for gift card places or for places to sell your gift cards online, then CardCash should have certainly come across your mind. So using CardCash is very easy, since it is typically online, and all you need is your mobile phone, your gift card, and your gift card details. So when you're on the CardCash website, you just click on the sell and end tab, and then you enter the store name and the amount if you want, and then you click on search card. Once you click on that search card, it's just actually going to return the details about your gift card, and from there you'll be able to list it and sell it for instant cash from CardCash. So that is how you sell gift cards on CardCash. Alright guys, so next on our list are grocery stores. Grocery stores are very popular out there, and there are many within the country. And what you don't certainly know about grocery stores, besides just getting groceries from them, is that you can actually exchange your gift card for cash at your favorite grocery store, as long as they offer gift card services. Yes, if they sell or they buy gift cards. But for you to find this out, you just need to get to your nearest grocery store and inquire if they actually let you convert your gift cards to cash. Probably they will let you convert their own store gift cards. For example, Target, as you see on the screen, some of their grocery locations are known to convert gift cards for cash. So you just need to talk to the cashier and explain to them that you would like to exchange your gift cards for cash or something, motivate them in doing that, and they'll just get you the service right working. But the thing is, you have to pay a fee that typically depends on the cashier, so you just need to discuss with them and find out the point of arrangement, and then you get your cash from your gift card. That's just how you get to do it. Right guys, as of now, you should know that since the termination of Coinstar gift card exchange kiosk, since Coinstar no longer offers gift card exchange services for cash, finding a gift card exchange kiosk has become very challenging, and they are actually dying and giving the way to digital payment services, as they are the ones leading in this new era. So if you're looking for a gift card exchange kiosk, you want to dive into online options like 1 minute pay or CardCash. And if you are looking for something local, just get to your favorite retailer or grocery store and inquire if they convert gift cards for cash. You just need to talk to the cashier or at the counter to find out if the person that's actually there can do this service on their own, because it is just their own, since the store itself does not offer such services. Which is just a trick. You just need to tap in with them, talk with them, and come out with a plan, something like that, and then they'll certainly accept your offer. Just motivate them and everything will work just fine. So we've come to the end of our video, guys. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Alright guys, I catch you on the next one.